Amwe athukumi muviani wa uiiti kauntini ya Mombasa nimatwaaisya maandamano ma muuo maivuthiisya vanene uneeni wa mwenekivila wa nzama ya mangavana ula ni gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Ann Waiguru ula kwi iyoo uwetie kana Matakitali ala matekusyoka Wiani nimakwosewa matambya ala mailite ma kimiao Mainenea itina wa kutwaaisya maandamano na ala matongoew'a ni ngwatanio ya kutetea mavata ma Matakitali KMPD uvonge wa kisoani nimaweta kana Maisyoka Wiani nginyayila mavata mo makuthinikiwa Angelina museni wa kuhusia maandamano na atumbanisya ilivyote.
Mainenea na andiki ma uwetie na kutwaaisya maandamano ma muuo athukumi ma uiiti matongu ni mwandiki mnene wa ngwatanio ya Matakitali KMPD uvonge wa kisoani Galib Salim Ali nimaweta kana ni undu wa kumacha kuona mangavana maivuthiisya kusyokea uthukumi vala maumania vanene uneeni wa mwenekivila wa Mainenea ya mangavana Ann Waiguru kwa kuweta kana Matakitali ala matekusyoka Wiani nimakwosewa matambya metu ma kimiao.
Kitu cha kwanza wao wenyewe magavana they have taken an oath. First of all, they have taken an oath to safeguard the lives and the people of this country. 1. 2, they cannot tell us that to go each and every county to have our different CBA signed. We have one CBA ambayo kwamba imekuwa signed, ambayo kwamba iko legal right now, ambayo kwamba kutoka 2017 to 2021. Kama yeye mwenyewe governor ameambiwa aregeshe madaktari wake na amepewa court orders, why can't they even follow the court orders? We have court orders in Mombasa to this governor. We have court orders in Kirinyaga to herself, that is to reinstate all doctors ambao kwamba aliwafuta.
Nimaweta kana maivikiye kusyokea uthukumi wo ethiwa serikali ndivikiye kuthinikia mavata mo na ala ni 19 ta kuandikwa kwa amanyiwa kukwata mavundisyo kana internship kwivwa misala kavindani kala kailite Matakitali kwamba ndeve katu wa mavata angi.
Kwa nini anatutishia sisi? Sisi hatuwezi kurudi kuwasikiliza wao. If they really want us to go back to work, they really need to heed our grievances, our 19 demands. They need to heed them all, and we are not going to back down until all our demands are met.
Kavindani kau Matakitali ala masyokete uthukumi ni makulwa mavikiye kusyoka na kuendea na mukomo ni kana kukitia akisyo ona huyo vongwatanio ya thukumi ma lab ni manengane notice nginya muthenyani wa kwambililia vala makambisya maandamano vala makulwa mekavikiye kusyoka na itina ni kana mavata mo mavikiye kuthinikiwa.
Kenya clinicians, they have issued a strike notice which is going to lapse on Monday, so they are going to be strike on Monday. KHPAs also have issued a strike notice. They are going to join. We are even asking our nurses, hatujawasahau, nyinyi ndio ni mti wa mgongo wa hospitali zote Kenya. Don't be intimidated. Jooni nje, it is your time. Tokeni, you are doing nothing than harm. Hakuna daktari kwenye hospitali, what are you doing? Killing patients. Stop, come out, protect your right and your dignity.
Ilivyote ya vilingi wa muuo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni tawa Angelina Mose.